Let's start with the goals. What are we actually trying to do here? The goals are to communicate secular activist values through the media. So we can change some hearts, change some minds, possibly change some public policy. And the way to do that is to consistently communicate a positive message about who we are and what we believe. So that is the goal. Now, when it comes to dealing with the media, there are 4 very specific goals I want to help you with in this course. The first is knowing how to look comfortable, confident, relaxed anytime you're going to be in the media. Now, secular activists come in all sizes, shapes, sizes, dress. We don't have to be one size fits all. You don't have to be in a suit or a conservative shirt or tie or anything like that. You can have your own style. But one of the things that keeps secular activists away from the TV cameras is this sense of, oh, I'm not TV friendly, or I don't look good enough, or I'm not comfortable, or I would look stupid. I want to get you through all that so that you know how to look your best, to come across your style, not my style, but to come across your style, so that anytime you have an opportunity to speak to the media, you grab it and you use it as an opportunity to espouse your values, your ideals. Because the other side does it all the time. They do it everywhere. They have their own TV networks. They buy millions of dollars of TV time Sunday mornings. So you've got to use every opportunity you can to speak out. The second big goal for this course is helping you focus on a message. How do you go from something as complicated as constitutional law and theory and various legal principles and really boil it down into a simple 3-part message, something that can be said in 30 seconds or less? That's the next goal for this course. The third goal is, how do you answer questions in an interview? It's different than a normal conversation. So if a reporter just keeps badgering you, so why do you hate God? So why do you don't want to start off by saying, well, I don't hate God, because then that could be the quote. And then you're on the defensive. You don't win when you are defending. So I'm going to teach you techniques of how to answer questions in interviews. The fourth goal, the final goal, is to know how to package your messages with sound bites so that you get the exact quote you want in the story. Now, I know some of you may bristle at that and say, well, we're above that. We're about substance. We're about being in depth. Yes, there's certainly a role for that. Write your 2,000-word blog, write your treatise, write your white papers. I still want you to do that. But if you have a chance to be on NBC News or the local ABC News or on public radio, that's a chance to reach hundreds of thousands or millions of people. We don't want to miss that opportunity. So I want to teach you how to know in advance what quotes are going to be used in these stories so that you decide, not some reporter, not some editor who frankly may have sympathies on the other side of this issue. So it's about giving you control. Now, there's a big myth out there that reporters only quote people to back up their own ideals. That's not really the case. What they're looking for is ideas that are interesting enough to generate eyeballs and attention. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. Ultimately, we want to transform public opinion. We want more people to be able to think rationally and share our values, and certainly not to use the public forum to push their values on us that are against what we believe. So that's what the goal is. That's what the course is for. Let's hop in.